Hello class 4. In the last class, we learned about colors in maps. We learned how different colors help us to read and understand maps. Today, we will learn about symbols and directions. Take your social study book and turn to page number 58. Symbols are special signs used in maps. Each symbol has a meaning, and you will see in each map a legend is given, and in that legend you can find different symbols. As you had already seen, different colors are given in a legend. So let us have a look. Look at the legend. Here, the first symbol, there is a star inside a circle, shows country capital. Next, a dot inside the circle shows state capital. Third one, a red dot inside the circle shows other towns. The fourth one, bold dash, then one small dot, again bold dash. It shows international boundary. Then light and thin dashes. It shows state boundary. The next one, a curved line. A blue color curved line shows rivers. And the last one, a triangle, shows peak of mountains. So children, you have seen, like colors, symbols also help us to understand the maps better. Now, we will learn about directions. And you already know that there are 4 main directions. What are they? North, south, east and west. Beside these 4 main directions, there are another 4 directions. Let us have a look at your book. Between these 4 directions, north, south, east and west, there are 4 directions. Like, they are called subdirections. See here, between north and east, it is northeast. Between east and south, it is southeast direction. Between south and west, it is southwest direction. And between north and west, it is northwest direction. So northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest, these four are sub-directions. Children, usually in maps, this north direction is shown, which shows the upper part of the map. Children, in many maps, you may see only the north direction, and with the help of this north direction, you will be able to find the other three main directions. How? North direction shows the upper part of a map, so straight down will be the south direction, and on your right hand it will be east direction, on your left hand it will be west direction. So with the help of only north direction, you will be able to find the other main three directions. And in some maps, you will find all the four directions given. So children, read the whole chapter and you will understand how scale is used to understand a map, how different colors, symbols and directions are used to make us understand a map. In the next class, we will do the exercises. Thank you.